Let's see an example how ChatGPT do prediction. I ask a question, what is the capital of? And the answer of ChatGPT is, could you clarify which country capital you are referring to? So I again ask, can you predict which country is in my mind? ChatGPT reply, while I can't read your mind, I can guess based on hint you might provide. Give me a clue, maybe a continent, a famous landmark, or something else associated with the country, and I will take a guess. World's second largest mountain. Now ChatGPT reply, the world's second largest mountain is K2, also known as Mount Godwin Austen. It is located in Karakoram Range on the border between Pakistan and China. If you are thinking of Pakistan, the capital is Islamabad. Yes. So now you can see how ChatGPT is predicting. Actually, it is a predictor model, so it's predict the things by understanding the context which you have provided.